Hi! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install ExpressVPN. I'll show you the process on PC, but the steps are essentially the same on Mac. The installation process is also very simple on Android and iOS, and I will explain how to do it as well. So, here is how to install ExpressVPN on your device in just 3 steps. Step number 1. Sign up for ExpressVPN. First, you need to sign up for ExpressVPN. I recommend using our link vpn-club.com/exp to get a special offer, 81% off plus 4 extra months free. You can choose between 3 plans. The 1 month plan at $12.99 per month, the 1 year plan at $3.49 per month, and the 2 year plan at just $2.44 per month. If you only need a VPN for a short period of time, the 1 month plan may be enough. Otherwise, I recommend the 2 year plan since it offers the best value. Once you've selected a plan, click on it. Enter your email address, choose a payment method, and complete your sign up. Step number 2, download and install the app. Once you've signed up, you will receive a confirmation email from ExpressVPN, and you'll be able to log into the ExpressVPN member dashboard. You can download the app directly from the dashboard. This is also where you'll find your activation code. ExpressVPN is available on many operating systems. I click here, then here. Once the installation file has been downloaded, open it to start installing ExpressVPN. Step number 3, activate the app. Once the app is installed, ExpressVPN will ask you to activate it using your activation code to confirm that you have a valid subscription. Once you're logged in, you will have full access to ExpressVPN. That's it. You now know how to install ExpressVPN and you can start using the app. Let's test it out. As you can see here, my current IP address shows that I'm located in France. I select a location, Canada for example. Then I click here. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. And that's it. I'm now connected to the VPN server. My IP address has been replaced with a Canadian IP address. If I visit a website or use an app, it will think I'm located in Canada because I now have a Canadian IP address. I showed you how to install ExpressVPN on a Windows computer, but the process is exactly the same on macOS. After signing up, you can download the app from the App Store or by clicking on the download link in the ExpressVPN member dashboard. The installation only takes a few moments, and once the app is installed, simply activate it and start using it. If you are using Android or iOS, the process is very similar. If you are on Android, go to the Play Store, search for ExpressVPN, then tap Install to start the installation. Once the app is installed, log in using your credential, and you'll be able to use the app on your smartphone or tablet. If you are on iOS, go to the App Store, search for ExpressVPN, then tap Get to install it. Once installed, log in with your credential and you will be able to use the app on your iPhone or iPad. That's it. It's really that simple. Now, you might be wondering why choose ExpressVPN instead of another VPN. Simply put, ExpressVPN is currently one of the best VPNs available on the market. It has thousands of servers across 105 countries, giving you a huge number of locations to choose from. It's a secure, reliable, and fast VPN, and you can use it on up to 10 devices simultaneously. There are no speed limits, no bandwidth limits, a strict no-logs policy, military-grade encryption, and plenty of additional features. It's very effective for bypassing geo-blocks, browsing and downloading privately, and improving your online security, among other things. ExpressVPN also offers a 30-day trial period in the form of a money-back guarantee. That means you can sign up, try the service for several weeks with no restrictions, and request a refund if you decide it's not for you. To get a refund, simply contact the customer support and ask for your money back. That's it. The only condition is that you make the request within 30 days of signing up, otherwise it will be too late. Just a reminder, with our link, you'll get 81% off plus 4 free months, along with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is absolutely no risk for you. That's all for today. You now know how to install ExpressVPN. As you've seen, it's very easy. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I will reply as soon as possible. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like it, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and see you next time.